In this video, I'll show you how to fix Zelle transfer failed error. By the way, if you run a business, Zelle probably isn't the best option for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. First, confirm that you entered the correct recipient email address or phone number that's enrolled with Zelle. Even a small typo can cause the transfer to fail. Next, check that your bank account has enough available balance and that there are no temporary restrictions or holds on your account. Make sure your bank app is updated to the latest version and that your internet connection is stable. You can also try logging out and back in, or removing and re-adding the recipient before sending the payment again. If the error continues, contact your bank's customer support to check for security blocks or transaction limits that may be preventing the transfer. Zelle is decent, but personally I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, AirWallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Zelle offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed AirWallex review, covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.